Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Jr. ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we are up or down around 21 basis points. On the 1 hour chart we do see the MAC, that's the 4 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart we see a possibility of the MACD diverging down and turning negative, and on the 4 hour chart we may start to see the MACD converging right here. On the daily chart, we may find support for the bulls as the 9-day moving average converges on the 18-day moving average, and we may proceed higher. So the first resistance I'm looking at is the 200-day moving average, which is at the price of $29.65. And for support, we have immediate support that dated back early this month in May 2nd, and that price is at $28.12. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement will be approximately 1.9% move up. However, if we were to reverse down further, that price movement will be around 3.3% move down. On to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to March 24th, 2011 to June 20th, 2011. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend is we have a start on the upper or above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceed to go down, and then what we have here is an attempt to reach the middle Bollinger Band. It did, and we see another attempt right here to reach, but not quite, and a third attempt right here, which we are right at now. And then on this trend that dated back to 2011, so what we saw here is in the same trend is we started above the middle Bollinger Band, and then next we proceeded on down, and then we saw this attempt breaking above the middle Bollinger Band, nearing but not quite touching the upper Bollinger Band. Next we see another attempt touching the middle Bollinger Band, not quite closing above it, and this attempt was where we are currently at the current trend. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and 1, 2, 3, 4 points that are similar. So there's reason to believe if the trends and patterns are similar, the outcome and forecasts will also be similar. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where GDXJ or Gold Miners Jr. will head to in the next coming days. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So back then in March 24th, 2011 to June 20th, 2011, GDXJ or Gold Miners Jr. was up around 3.7% up. And here's the line graph that I compared it to. So with the 2011 chart overlapping the current trend, that's where I got my results at. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.